Theta cost most certainly equivalent to $0.9587 a coin, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. The present exchanged cost range. 0.9072, 0.9666, showing how today's exchanged cost range. 0.9072, 0.9666. The earlier day close. 0.9309. The change fundamentally was plus 0.0278, plus 2.99%, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Converse rate. United States dollars to Theta, which for the most part is very critical. Theta value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month Theta cost forecast on Monday, November 20. Cost $0.92, for the most part greatest 0.98, genuinely least 0.86, which is genuinely critical. Theta figure on Tuesday, November 21. Cost $0.88, kind of most extreme 0.94, especially least 0.82 in a truly significant way. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, November 22. Cost $0.88, certainly greatest 0.94, least 0.82, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta estimate on Thursday, November 23. Cost $0.93, certainly greatest 1.00, especially least 0.86 in a for the most part significant manner. Theta cost expectation on Friday, November 24. Cost $0.95, extremely greatest 1.02, kind of least 0.88 in an unobtrusive way. In multi-week Theta gauge on Monday, November 27. Cost $0.87, kind of greatest 0.93, least 0.81 in an in every practical sense, huge way. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, November 28. Cost $0.86, truly greatest 0.92, sort of least 0.80, which generally is very critical. Theta estimate on Wednesday, November 29. Cost $0.83, certainly greatest 0.89, genuinely least 0.77. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, November 30. Cost $0.93, fundamentally greatest 1.00, lovely least 0.86, which in a real sense is very huge. Theta conjecture on Friday, December 1. Cost $0.97, in every way that really matters, most extreme 1.04, by and large least 0.90 in an exceptionally enormous manner. In about 14 days Theta cost expectation on Monday, December 4. Cost $1.04, in every practical sense, greatest 1.11, especially least 0.97, showing how in about 14 days Theta cost forecast on Monday, December 4. Cost $1.04, sort of most extreme 1.11, really least 0.97, which essentially is very critical. Theta conjecture on Tuesday, December 5. Cost $1.06, truly most extreme 1.13, kind of least 0.99 in a sort of huge manner. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, December 6. Cost $1.09, kind of greatest 1.17, genuinely least 1.01 in an in every way that really matters, significant way. Theta conjecture on Thursday, December 7. Cost $1.11, certainly most extreme 1.19, especially least 1.03. Theta cost expectation on Friday, December 8. Cost $1.14, exceptionally most extreme 1.22, least 1.06, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. In 3 weeks Theta figure on Monday, December 11. Cost $1.11, truly most extreme 1.19, truly least 1.03. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, December 12. Cost $1.12, truly most extreme 1.20, lovely least 1.04, or so they explicitly thought. Theta conjecture on Wednesday, December 13. Cost $1.18, kind of greatest 1.26, beautiful least 1.10 in an unpretentious way. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, December 14. Cost $1.23, kind of greatest 1.32, truly least 1.14, which is genuinely critical. Theta estimate on Friday, December 15. Cost $1.24, exceptionally greatest 1.33, extremely least 1.15, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. In about a month Theta cost expectation on Monday, December 18. Cost $1.26, sort of most extreme 1.35, truly least 1.17, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Theta conjecture on Tuesday, December 19. Cost $1.32, most extreme 1.41, lovely least 1.23 in a sort of large manner. United States dollars to Theta today. United States dollars to Theta conversion scale fundamentally equivalent to 1.0431 coins per $1, showing how Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, December 6. Cost $1.09, sort of most extreme 1.17, certainly least 1.01 in a kind of significant manner. Today's reach 1.0345, 1.1023 in an unobtrusive way. The past day's nearby 1.0742 in a truly significant way. Change for now 0.0311, 2.90%, which basically is genuinely critical. Dollar to Theta gauge on Monday, November 20. Cost 1.087 coins, sort of most extreme 1.163, genuinely least 1.020, exhibiting that Theta figure on Thursday, November 23. Cost $0.93, genuinely greatest 1.00, genuinely least 0.86 in a sort of significant manner. United States dollars to Theta expectation on Tuesday, November 21. Cost 1.136 coins, extremely greatest 1.220, genuinely least 1.064 in an especially enormous way. Dollar to Theta estimate on Wednesday, November 22. Cost 1.136 coins, by and large greatest 1.220, genuinely least 1.064, showing that Theta value expectation for, in the not so distant future, and month Theta cost forecast on Monday, November 20. Cost $0.92, sort of most extreme 0.98, really least 0.86, which basically is genuinely critical. United States dollars to Theta forecast on Thursday, November 23. Cost 1.075 coins, most extreme 1.163, certainly least 1.000 in a by and large significant manner. Dollar to Theta estimate on Friday, November 24. Cost 1.053 coins, lovely greatest 1.136, kind of least 0.980 in a genuinely enormous manner. In multi-week United States dollars to Theta forecast on Monday, November 27. Cost 1.149 coins, by and large most extreme 1.235, exceptionally least 1.075, or so they really thought. Dollar to Theta gauge on Tuesday, November 28. Cost 1.163 coins, especially greatest 1.250, really least 1.087, further appearance how in about 14 days Theta cost forecast on Monday, December 4. Cost $1.04, essentially most extreme 1.11, genuinely least